To download F1 Manager 24 on a PC or laptop, start by downloading Steam, an app that allows you to buy, download, install, and play games. Simply search for Steam online and go to the link store.steampowered.com. Then click on Welcome to Steam and Install Steam. Select your platform, such as Windows, and open the Steam setup that has been downloaded. Follow the installation prompts, clicking Next and selecting your language. Then choose a destination folder for the installation, which can be left as default or changed. Once Steam is installed, open it and either log in or create an account, which is a straightforward process. After accessing the Steam store, use the search box to find F1 Manager 2024 and click on the game to purchase it. You can choose between the standard and deluxe editions, and the process is the same for both. Add the game to your cart, select your account or a gift option, and proceed to payment. Choose a payment method and complete the checkout process to buy the game, which will then be added to your Steam library. To access the library, click on Library and find the F1 Manager game. Then click the Install button. Select any desired desktop or start menu shortcuts and choose a drive for installation. Then click Install to automatically download and install the game. Once the installation is complete, you will receive a notification from Steam, and the game will be ready to play. Go back to the games page in your library, and you will see a green Play button, which you can click to launch the game and start playing.